Hello everyone, I'm Aaradhna Soni from Sage University, Bhopal. I'm going to teach the fundamental of electrical concept. So now move on. A circuit. What is circuit? A circuit current flow from the higher voltage terminal of the source into the higher voltage terminal of the transducer. Before returning the source, the circuit is complete. The source expand energy and the transducer convert it into something useful. And when the circuit is complete, whenever the current flow through the higher voltage terminal to the lower voltage terminal and returning the source. So this is known as circuit. And here there are some pictures related to circuit diagram. So positive terminal is connected to the positive and negative terminal is connected to the negative leads. And the what is simple circuits? So circuit is two types of circuits here, where first is series circuit, second is parallel circuit. Series circuit, there is all in row, one for path electricity, one light goes out and other circuit is broken. So this is a series circuit, and here some pictures related to series circuits. And what is parallel circuit? So parallel circuit is many paths for electricity. One light goes out and other stay on. So this is the uh, pictures of parallel circuits. And what is the series circuits and parallel circuits? Here are some examples. Series circuit, only one end of each component is connected. Example, Christmas tree and other one. And what is the parallel circuit? Parallel circuit is both ends of components are connected. Some example is household lighting and some domestic lighting, using lighting. So we are all use the parallel circuit because we are all the use domestic purpose lights, that is CRF and many more things. And what is the passive device? Passive device are those devices, yeah, those elements those elements it's not capable of delivering the energy independently for infinite duration of time. This is known as passive device. And passive transistor device functions only when energized by a force in a circuit, and passive device can be modeled by a resistance. Passive device always draw current so that the highest voltage is present on the terminal where the current in the passive device. So examples of passive device is resistor, capacitor, inductor, and transformer. These are the passive devices. And the active device, those devices the capable of delivering the energy independently for an infinite duration of time. Here are some example. Voltage source, current source are the best example of the active devices. And source expand energy are the considered active device. Their current normally flows out their highest voltage terminal, and sometimes when there are multiple sources in a circuit, one overpowers another, forcing the other to behave in a passive manner. So this is a active device. And if you talk about the power, so what is the power? So power is the rate at which energy is transferred or the rate or at which work is done. So P equal to work upon time, and the power is stand for watts and dW upon d time, and dW and d time is expressed as joules per second, and P equal to VI. VI is expressed as dW upon dQ. It's work done. So now the energy is work in joule. So energy equal to the area under the power in watts. So this is the whole phenomena is called as power. And this is the fundamental concept of a conservation of power. So conservation of power, that is the summation of all the power is equal to zero. It is useful word to the Kirchhoff's law, and it is also useful for the Ohm's law. And we associate a positive number of, it is the positive, it is the power absorbed by use a passive device, and the negative power is associated with the power delivering. So this is the power absorbing and this is the power delivering. And here's some example related to the power absorbed and power delivered. If the positive power we got, so the power is absorbed, and if the positive power is negative, so power is delivered. And both power is if you got the numerical, if the got the values, the current is -1 and voltage is -5, so power is positive absorbed. So power is the positive, so energy is absorbed, and power is negative, so energy is delivered. So that is the whole concept of conservation of power. And here there's some example related to the power, resistance and current. So the given value is given, already given is voltage, current, and find the resistance. So the resistance is R equal to E by I. So E is already given 36 voltage, I is equals to 4 ampere, and the resistance we got the 9 ampere. So here the unknown value of resistance. So we easily got the resistance value with the help of Ohm's law values, with the help of Ohm's law expression, R equal to E by I, yeah, R equal to V by I. So here we got the resistance value equal to 9 ohm. So in this video, we learn about the power, resistance, and the active power, passive power, absorb power, and deliver power, and the circuit. So I hope you understand, and thank you. Thank you.